Welcome everyone! Our team is pleased to announce the launch of ChatGPT-powered natural language processing to help users answer simple to complex questions on the use of StockHero.
First of all, click the subscribe button, like the video, share the video, and download the StockHero app. Feeling lost on how to use the new ChatGPT feature? Don't worry, we got you covered. In this video, I'm going to explain the 3 simple steps. Step 1, click on our user guide.
The next is the second and third step. This is the most important step of all, which helps you out to use our ChatGPT feature.
Click on the search box that appears on the top right of any page in the user guide. Then a pop-up window will appear. Next, select the Lens option. After that, type out your question. Then click Enter. Finally, you will get your answers in no time.
These steps will definitely help you out to use the powerful and user-friendly ChatGPT feature on the StockHero. So, go to our user guide, try it and let us know how it goes. And don't forget to download the StockHero app.